Now to a first for the East Midlands. The new NHS-funded High Street Health Station giving 4-minute checks which could save a life.
The machine, which has launched today in Nottingham's Victoria Centre, measures blood pressure, heart rate and more, and can help spot vital signs you need to see a doctor. Our health correspondent Nancy Cole is in Nottingham. Nancy, what more can you tell us?
Hello, well yes, here in Nottingham not only can you pick up your shampoo and your shower gel, but now also a free health check on this machine in just under 5 minutes. Well, you stand to start, it takes your height, your weight, you'll then sit where it measures your BMI, your body composition, your blood pressure and heart rate and much more. It's been funded by the NHS in Nottinghamshire, and NHS leaders say they hope it'll get people more hands-on with their own health needs.
We have limited resources, we have lots of demand, and all healthcare services are really stretched. So anything that can add to that, that can enable people to come in and be empowered to take some information about their own health, some metrics and data that they can then work with and act upon. And if that means that people are finding that they've got high blood pressure, they're able to go and speak to the pharmacist who's in the counter just behind you, or they can come to their GP, and then we can use that information to try and modify their behaviours and offer them help and support.
Nancy, it sounds like a great and indeed easy way to access information. Do they have any idea how many people are going to use it?
Although it's actually only launched today, it has been here for the public to use since the start of December. Now, since then, there have been over 700 health checks have taken place, leading to 100 referrals to support services for weight loss, smoking and alcohol reduction, as well as over 160 checks that have triggered a GP call for action for high blood pressure or high BMI. Well, it's those kind of concerns that can really help improve and early detect conditions like heart disease and strokes. Now, there are currently over 5,500 people who've had a stroke, survivors here in Nottingham, and there is real hope that this machine will do something to help find out those risks.
Well, I've lived in Nottingham all my life. We have a family history of stroke in my family. My sister was only 20 when she had her stroke. So having something like this in Nottingham will give people that peace of mind. People are busy, they're working, they're doing all the things. So if they can come somewhere like Boots, where it's familiar to them while they're doing their shopping, take 4 minutes out of their day and carry on with the rest of their life, it's got to be great.
Well, the health station here has been funded for the next year. At the end of that time, well, they will look at the data to see how many lives have been impacted in just 4 minutes.
Nancy, yes, a very useful piece of kit which could save lives. Thank you very much.